Want a bigger, wider, and stronger back? Flexed biceps. Here are the top 6 back exercises you need to build size. Strength 1. Chin-ups are one of the best bodyweight exercises for building upper body strength. While many muscles are engaged, the biceps and lats take most of the load. You can perform them at the gym or even at home if you have a pull-up bar. Grab the bar with an underhand grip, pull yourself up slowly until your chin crosses the bar, and hold for 1 to 2 seconds. Then, lower yourself under control. This move not only builds your arms and back but also increases overall pulling strength, helping you lift heavier weights. 2. Bent over barbell row. This compound lift is essential for developing thickness and strength in your back. It recruits multiple muscle groups at once while also improving posture. To perform it, stand with your knees slightly bent, hinge forward keeping your back straight, and hold a barbell with a shoulder-width grip. Row the bar toward your torso and squeeze your back muscles before lowering slowly. Start with light weight to warm up properly, then progress. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 12 representatives. 3. Lat Pulldown. If your goal is to build width and create a V-taper physique, the lat pulldown is a must. Sit on the lat pulldown machine, set the weight so you can complete 12 to 15 controlled representatives, and grip the bar slightly wider than shoulder width. Pull the bar down to your chest while squeezing your lats, then return slowly to full stretch. This exercise is a favorite for back development because of its effectiveness and pump. 4. Seated cable row. The seated cable row is excellent for both size and definition. Sit upright on the cable machine with your back straight and feet braced. Using a V-handle attachment, pull the handle toward your lower abs while keeping your elbows close. Squeeze your back muscles at the peak of the movement before returning slowly. This will give your mid-back a powerful pump and improve muscle density. 5. One-arm dumbbell row. This unilateral exercise ensures balanced back development and improved focus on each side. Place one knee and one hand on a bench for support while keeping the other foot firmly on the ground. With a dumbbell in the opposite hand, pull it toward your waist while keeping your back straight and core engaged. Squeeze your lats at the top, then lower slowly. Perform 3 sets of 12 to 15 representatives on each side. 6. Hyperextensions. Hyperextensions target your lower back, hamstrings, and glutes, making them crucial for overall posterior chain strength. Use a hyperextension bench, crossing your arms over your chest or holding a light plate for added resistance. Lower your torso under control until your body is straight, then raise back up without jerking. Avoid rushing the movement to prevent injury. Stick to 3 sets of 10 to 12 representatives for best results. And that V-taper look fast.